So we're going to talk today. This is the third worksheet of the three where we're practicing value and using value to create a 3D effect to make things look more realistic, to give them depth. So you should have already completed your pencil value scales and your ink value scales, and now it's time to shade these forms. So when you use value, it turns a shape into a form, okay? It gives it depth. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a pencil and a pen to shade these forms. So you should have this in your packet, and you should have this in your packet as an example. Of course, you are more than welcome to just really follow along with this example just to practice. But if you feel like you want to challenge yourself, maybe you could change your light source. So instead of putting your light source on this side, you could put it on this side. And then it would be the opposite. It would be light over here, medium dark, right? So this is pencil shading, and of course it's been digitized on a copier and everything, so it's not as smooth as it would look if it were real pencil, but you get the right idea. So when you're shading your forms, think about a light source, okay? Wherever the light is shining is going to be the lightest, and wherever is the shadow, the opposite side of the light is going to be the dark. Also think about something called a cast shadow. So anything in real life makes a shadow, right? Look at the shadow that my hand is creating right here because the light is coming down on it. Look at the shadow right here on my thumb, okay? Look at the shadow here. That's called a cast shadow. So the opposite side of the light is going to be the darkest. So right here, I feel like these could even be darker, is your cast shadow, okay? And also just a shadow, wherever the object is sitting on a surface, if you add a little shadow in there, it's going to make it look that much more realistic. So think about your light source. I'm going to make mine coming over here, draw a little arrow. You could even say LS, light source, if you want, okay? So we know this side's going to be the lightest, and then it's going to go to dark as we get over here on this side. Okay, also think about, this is a pretty straight form. So except for the bottom, which is round, but your values are going to be fanning out from this point, okay? So think about fanning out from the tip of that cone, light, medium, dark as you go around, okay? Whereas on a sphere, your lines are going to be more circular, okay? So if let's say the light's coming from here, boom, there's going to be like a light reflection sort of right there in the center, and then it's going to be medium coming to dark as you come over here, and you can give it that little cast shadow to make it look like it's sitting on a surface, and that's how you'll begin. Okay, like I said, you can just follow along with this. That might be the easiest way to start, or you can take it a little further if you want to change your light source, and also you can use pen. You could work with hatching or stippling or cross hatching or anything like that as well, just to your degree of comfort, just practicing. Okay.